Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out a couple areas of support. Then we can talk levels of resistance. Main level of support that stands out from the charting perspective is down here at, let's see, what is that? $2.75. Nothing fancy behind this, nothing complicated other than the fact that this is, from a just kind of a general perspective, that is where the price finally stopped going down today. Sure, a couple times the price didn't quite hit that level. There was that one time where the price actually dropped below it. So from just finding a middle ground and kind of splitting the difference, to me, 275 definitely a very, very important level of support. Where if this current downtrend is going to bottom out, then that's definitely the key level. There is no such thing as a guarantee, but with that being said, especially if it's a high volume break, if the price does go back down to that area and then a high volume break breaks down below it, at that point it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price at least go down to $2.70, if not even lower. But also, to be fair, I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because so far so good. For the most part, as already pointed out, this level has been doing a good job of holding strong. So point being, 275 going to be a very important level from the support side of things going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, so if there is going to be any sort of upwards turnaround or any sort of bounce, then the first key level of resistance that'll need to be focused on is, again, nothing fancy other than where this bounce stopped on a couple of times today, right up there at 286. You can see earlier on in the day, price bounced, got rejected. And then later on in the day, price made a nice little bounce once more, but once again got rejected by that area. So 286, definitely public enemy number one from the resistance standpoint. So all in all, though, a rough day, but the price is now starting to kind of outline a couple very key levels, very in-your-face levels as far as support and resistance, and the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how the price reacts with these levels as the week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.